How to change your Twitter settings. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitter settings. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up twitter.com on your laptop PC, or you can also open up your Twitter app on your mobile phone. You can access Twitter on iOS or Android. It's a very famous social media and we all use Twitter all the time. But there is different settings that we can do, and how to change settings, how to change your password, and if you have trouble with the reaching settings, then this video is for you. So what you need to do is you're going to actually go to your profile icon at the top on your laptop screen, PC screen, or even on your phone. You will get this at the top left corner. So you have to click on this profile icon, and it shows you your account info. So here we have settings and support at the bottom here, the last option. So you're going to select settings and support. Then we have settings and privacy. You have to select this one. And now you have your settings. You have your account, security and access, privacy and safety, notification, accessibility, display and languages, and additional resources. Click on your account, and this is where you will get your account info. And you can change and access your account info from here. Then you have change your password. So if you're having trouble with your password, you want to change it, you will do it here. Then we have download and archived of data. Deactivate account option is also available here. Then we have our privacy and safety. So privacy settings are actually really important. So here you can change some of these settings, such as content you see. So here you will be able to see different topics and interest or sensitive content. Check is here too. Then we have our direct message here. We have audience and tagging and your tweet. So all of the privacy and your Twitter activity settings will be done right here. Then we have our notification, accessibility, display, and languages. So here you can actually change your display of your Twitter, the font size, color, and background as well. So these are all of the different settings that we can do on Twitter to make it more accessible, to use it very easily, and actually access all of these settings. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.